Watch the video till the end to see how to make another plane. It is very simple. To make all you need is a piece of string, another piece of wire and a water bottle. You can make another free energy fan. It is very simple. If you are also a fan of other free energy plan, tell me in the comments. Please watch this video until the end in and do as shown in this video. Thank you. If you have other bicycle wire or any other small rod, do the same. Let me know how you like this video by commenting. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and give it a like. If you also created another fan, let me know in the comments and tell me where you are from. How did you like this video? If you like what was shown in this video, please give it a like and tell me in the comments what topic you want the next video to be about. If you like the video, please subscribe. God bless you.